Welcome. If you're looking to quickly delete a specific message from a chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, you're in the right place. Whether you want to tidy up your inbox or remove a message you no longer need, the process is straightforward with the latest update. Let's walk through the steps together so you can manage your conversations with ease. First, open your preferred browser and go to x.com. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Messages to access all your direct message conversations. Next, find the chat that contains the message you want to delete. Click on that conversation to open it. Now scroll through the chat until you locate the exact message you'd like to remove. Here's where the new update comes in handy. Hover your mouse over the message you want to delete. As you do this, you'll notice a three-dot icon appears next to the message. Click on these three dots to open a small menu of options. From the menu, select Delete for You. This option ensures the message will be removed from your view, but keep in mind that others in the conversation may still see it. After you click Delete for You, a confirmation prompt will pop up. Confirm your choice to complete the deletion. That's it. The message will disappear from your chat history, helping you keep your conversations clean and organized. Remember, this change only affects your account. Other participants in the chat will still have access to the message unless they delete it on their end as well. Thanks for following along. Now you know exactly how to delete a message from a chat on X using your PC, even with the latest updates. Stay tuned for more simple guides to help you make the most of your X experience.